Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Andrew Manyika.
All right. How you doing tonight? Awesome. So I was in Muzanzi during the xenophobic attacks of 2008, and there's nothing funny about that. Well, there is this one story. There is this one story. So obviously, you guys will remember, like during the xenophobic attacks, people were trying to weed out foreigners, and what you would do was ask like a literal life and death question, and that was the weirdest thing. Like it was what is the elbow, right? But you had to say it in Zulu because when you pronounce it in Zulu, it's a very complicated word, I guess, to say. So it was like people walking around town literally saying yinle, yinle, yinle. So, you know, and of course you guys know that the answer is, hey, marked safe during the xenophobic attacks. Well done, guys, well done. Yeah, so Indololoan was the correct thing to say. But here I was, Zimbabwean. So we caught on eventually that, okay, this is the trick question. So they came up with a new question, and that question was, "Maumuntu akhala kuphuma nemehlweni," right? It was like, if a person cries, what comes out of their face? So this guy comes up to me. I'm in town, I'm working, living my life, pretty street nyana. And he comes up to me, he's like, "Wendod, maindoda yakhala kuphuma nemehlweni." So there I'm scared, I don't know what is going on, right? And I know this is the catchphrase, literally, the phrase they will use to catch you out. So I'm there, and I'm trying to answer this question, but I'm trying to answer the right way. I think about it for like 2 seconds, and then it clicks. So I look him in the eye. I'm like, "Indoda yakhala." I look him and I say, "Indoda yakhala is bad."